perspective, our viewpoint is we can and we must do better in education.
We love to build, and we know how to build.
Her passion in this organization and all the things that she's done and really making sure this project happens extremely well today. I want to introduce Marlo from...
Thank you, Mike. Thank you. It's been a pleasure working with you guys as well. My task is to paint fence.
Now let's get these teachers college guys here. What's going on here? What's the process here?
The process beautifies school. We're emptying the topsoil. The soil. And then we're spreading the topsoil, and then I believe someone else will be planting.
We're going to put some lovely flowers around.
I think you're doing a wonderful job this year.
Thank you.
We are painting. What are these ones?
Free throw line? Free throw box?
Okay, we're painting the free throw line.
Now, is your room, is that the one that's being made over?
Yeah. It's really cool. I'm so glad Miss Torres is going to have a makeover. She's the nicest teacher.
Hi, Kristen. Stephanie. Daniel. Come on over. Hi.
So is this your favorite thing to do down here, guys?
Yeah.
You like painting?
Here's our game plan. This is a teacher's lounge, a place for teachers to rest, relax, re-energize, recharge. We're going to put a 10-foot coffee bar on this side of the room, relax, have coffee. And on this end, we're going to corkboard out the chalkboard. We're going to have an apple mural. Our bar is right here, and it's really just a place for the teachers to relax.
This is the teacher appreciation room. So teachers can come get goodie bags and get food, whatever they want. Just to say thank you. It's from Jones, New York. Building one of these things.
Working on our closet, our personal closet. We are seawolves, and they're polyurethane.
What's going on back here?
Just organizing bookshelves, making sure the books are in nice order, nothing's hanging over the top, and no pages are falling out. Just organizing.
And how do you like it?
It's great. Very rewarding.
What's the best part of these makeovers? This is my first, so...
The reaction you get from the principal, the teachers, and the kids. That's part of the best part.
No, they wanted more volunteers over there to work on this bed. It's fine. We're waiting for shovels. So.
Right here. And this is where I read my stories. Real desk.